The number one reason we hear for why there's not enough coaching in an organization: I don't have enough time, and therefore we don't coach. Conversation AI solves that problem by automatically surfacing for reps and for managers the moments in conversations that are most worth coaching. The best calls get automatically curated into amazing call libraries, so when new reps are onboarding, they can listen to and they can watch successful meetings run by their peers. Use conversation etiquette to understand, is my team listening? Are they interrupting? Are they providing a good buyer experience? And we can even analyze the performance of coaching itself. Based on the coaching that we're giving, is it working? Or do the coaches need work too? At revenue.io, we understand that this rich conversation insight is one critical piece of the entire revenue journey. And that's why we provide the most robust revenue intelligence all inside a Salesforce, where we marry the conversation information with your sales engagement data to create out-of-the-box dashboards, providing a blueprint to understand precisely what's working and a foundation to exponential growth. To learn more, book a demo today.